Hello, my name is Gabrielle Stritch. I'm an attorney, mediator, and collaborative lawyer in Cranberry, New Jersey. And you finally have done it. You've had this nagging concern that you don't have your planning done, and you've made an appointment with an estate planning attorney, hopefully me. And what do you need to do to prepare so that it is a productive and thorough process? Well, first, you have to think about who you want as an executor. That's the person that's going to carry out your wishes that you put in the will. And then you think you have somebody, you're going to need a backup. You have to think about, is there anyone that you would want to put the money in trust for? If that's true, you need a trustee, and you've got it, a backup trustee. What if you have children that are minors? You definitely need a guardian that may or may not be the same as a person who's trustee. And you need a backup person. You need to look at what are your assets, what are your liabilities, how are they titled, and have you designated beneficiaries on any of these assets? You can have it all in your head. You can handwrite a list. You can produce an Excel spreadsheet, better yet. But you need to think about and be prepared for your will appointment. So then you will get a will that really reflects what you want. And as an extra bonus, think about whether there's any stuff. What do I mean by that? A painting, a vase, a statue, your favorite china, you name it. Is there any stuff that you want to specifically give to a person? It doesn't have to have a lot of value. It could be only the value could be emotional. But if you think about that ahead of time, you will have an excellent session with your attorney doing your will, and you will have peace of mind that night knowing it's done. So call me if you are in New Jersey. Gabrielle Stritch of Stritch Law Firm. Thank you.